everyone. Today we have Taylor. You will be undergoing the FUE procedure with us. We will be restoring Taylor's frontal hairline and the bilateral temples. We're aiming around 2,500 FUE grafts for Taylor. How's it going, Taylor?
Good.
You're excited for today?
Really excited, yeah. Everything's good.
Awesome. All right, we'll see you guys soon. All right, Taylor, we're going to clip your donor region. Okay, the donor region, we're going to harvest your grafts from the right temple, the back of the head, and the left temple. We're going to start at the right. We will end up at the left, okay?
Sounds good.
And we will shave the rest of the hair once we do the design for you.
Alrighty.
Turn to the right a bit for me. Perfect. So we're breaking down your donor region. We just finished in their block for Taylor. We just did the right side and the left side. So hopefully the rest of the procedure for Taylor should be a breeze. How bad was the pain?
Not too bad. It's tolerable.
It's tolerable. You could be honest. You know, I know it stings.
Oh, it was a sting there for sure.
Pain scale 10 being the worst. How bad would you say it was?
I would say like an 8.
Like an 8.
Yeah.
But how was it for you? Was it short? How did
it was
feel?
pretty quick. Yeah.
It was pretty
quick. It was pretty quick.
All right, awesome. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to have you on your side, and we're gonna get started with the harvesting phase.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Alrighty.
All right, Taylor, we just finished the harvesting phase.
Right.
We're going to go into the second phase, which basically is the design. And the second half of the second phase is the incisions. Okay, how was the first phase for you? Harvesting, was it painful? Was it bad, uncomfortable? How did it feel?
It was alright. A little uncomfortable at times. It went by quick.
It went by quick?
Yeah.
You were falling asleep most of the time?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Exactly.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do a few different designs.
Okay.
We're not really going to, from the discussions we've had, change your look drastically.
Okay.
We just want to recreate a hairline for you,
right.
Close off the temple angle, give you a temple angle closure, fill in the temples, and give you density.
Right.
Okay, so we'll do a few options, you know, different comparisons between the right and left. Tell me which one you like, and then we'll take it from there.
Sounds good.
All right, Flor, what is the final number?
You have 2,798 grafts.
2,798, and what are the? So we have a few extra. We were aiming for 25.
Okay.
And what are the percentages?
We have 27% singles, 41% doubles, and 32% triples.
So it's over 73%, almost 75% multiples for you.
Okay.
10 out of 7, 7.5, almost multiple. So that's going to give you a density.
Okay.
And just over 6,000-7,000 hairs just out of those percentages, out of your 2,700 grafts almost.
Alrighty.
Alright, so we're going to start the next phase. You're going to feel a few pokes on top. It's going to last a few seconds and you shouldn't feel anything else.
Alrighty.
Alright, sounds good?
Sounds good.
Awesome. Your distance from your chin to your eyebrow, do you remember what it was that we said?
Mm-mm.
You're at 15.
15, yeah.
Yeah, so let's see, perfect. Hairline would be at 7.5, which is right there. So I'm going to take a few measurements. Measurements. Turn this way a bit. Perfect. Alright. If I could have the mirror. Alright, Taylor, take a look at it and tell me what you think.
Wow, looks good.
Is this what you had in mind?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
So we're going to break down the zones.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to do the first 2 centimeters is going to be the most dense.
Okay.
You already have this central tuft. What we're going to do is we're going to also do future proofing by placing a little bit to the right and left of it. So just in case in the future, if you lose this, you already have grafts implanted in that region, and we're going to reinforce all of your left zone 1 and your temples as well.
All right.
Okay. So a few more needle pokes coming up. Going to numb the top.
Okay.
Few seconds, and then you shouldn't feel anything else.
All right.
You like it?
Yeah. Like
All right.
it.
Awesome.
Perfect.
So we're going to shave the rest of the hair out now.
Okay.
What we're going to do next, Taylor, is we're going to place these softeners, okay?
Okay.
That we talked about in the very front of the hairline.
Okay.
You want this to be as irregular as possible.
Irregular.
Irregularly irregular. Alright, let me take a look. Great, I love it. I think it looks really good actually.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Perfect.
hand you the mirror.
Okay.
And tell me what you think.
All right. Looks really good.
You like it?
I like it.
So this is zone 1, the first 2 centimeters for you.
Okay.
Okay? And we're also going to reinforce parts of zone 2 as well, especially
Okay.
on the sides. The center is the strongest for you.
Okay.
Okay? You like it?
Like it. Like it a
Awesome.
lot, yeah. Looks good.
Congratulations, Taylor. We just finished the incisions. It turned out amazing.
Perfect.
How was lunch?
Perfect. Excellent.
What did you have?
A steak.
Yeah, the steak. Was
Yeah,
it good?
It was perfect.
That's awesome. So you haven't seen your hairline yet.
No.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the mirror and take a look.
Okay.
Okay. I think it turned out tremendous. It looked really nice.
All right.
Keep in mind what you're going to see is swelling.
Okay.
Okay. You have a lot of fluids in your scalp, which will migrate down your face the next 4 to 5 days. every day. It's going to be at a certain different location, starting at the forehead,
Okay.
going down to the eyebrows, then to the eyelids,
Okay.
then to the cheeks. About
Okay.
4 to 5 days. It's the puffiness is not from trauma, but it's from the solutions. It's the numbing anesthetic that we use, migrating down your face. Okay.
Alrighty.
So I'm going to hand you the mirror. Oh, there it is. Alright, take a look.
Let's
And
see.
keep in mind, I always tell every patient, when you go home, the way you remove these surgical caps are always back to the front.
Alright.
Take a look, tell me what you think.
Yeah, it looks really good.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
So keep in mind, everything you see right now under your scalp,
Right.
swollen,
Right, right.
fluid. It might even look a little bit off between the right and the left.
Uh-huh.
It's all fluid. This is going to come down your face the next few days.
Yeah.
Okay? So you're not going to look like yourself starting 2 days from today, especially when it comes down to the eyes.
Okay.
But I think the hairline turned out tremendous. It looks really good.
Yep.
You didn't really want a straight hairline. You want
Right.
it more rounded.
Right.
And from the pictures you showed me, that's what you had 10 years ago.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah, looks good.
You like it?
I like it.
So what we're going to do next is I'm going to outline and map the grafts and where the singles and the doubles and the triples should go.
Okay.
So you're going to see a few surgical markers on your scalp.
Okay.
A few more hours and we'll call it a day.
Perfect.
Okay?
Sounds good.
You got it. Alright, Taylor, we're mapping out the areas.
Look at how deep it is.
God, it's crazy. You're really lucky.
Oh, wow, that's gonna be a great scar. Great mother of ganja.
Just want to talk to you. Right there. David, you head to the left. I'll put 'em on. Go, I shoot you. I think I got you, Dennis. They're shooting at us. Run. Come on, Dennis. Somebody get him. No, just let go. Can't see nothing through this smoke. What's that? Gotcha. And we gotta kill him.
I think we'd slow down. I haven't heard dogs or guns for hours.
Yeah, you slow down. Get a stick of dynamite up your ass.
Calm down, David. We're gonna be all right.
No, we're not, Jerry. We could really die out here. And I can't believe that I would listen to you guys.
Let's go take Billy's trip. Let's
Alright. Congratulations, Taylor.
Thank you.
Implanting is done. It
Alright.
absolutely looks amazing.
Nice.
Nice and dense. You got your hairline back.
Perfect. That's what I wanted.
Okay. So we just did a quick wash.
Okay.
And that's what you'll be doing for the next 3 weeks or so.
Okay.
When you come back tomorrow, we'll go over how to do the washes, but it's basically using spray bottle and organic shampoo.
Alright.
Alright. Let's give you the mirror.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
Alrighty. Wow. Looks good.
Does it just look good or does it look great?
Looks great. Yeah, I can't wait, for the swelling to go down and everything.
Yeah, so
That's it.
everything right now is swollen. But now you actually have a hairline that frames your face really nicely.
Exactly.
Versus before you just had the central tuft and everything from the hairline to the temples, it was bare.
Right. Looks great.
You like it?
I like it.
Alright, so this is where I go. Can I get a high five?
High five.